Thank you. So what I want to do is I want to go over how to subtract polynomials. So one thing we notice, or we need to remember, is we can only add or subtract polynomials when they have like terms. And what do I mean by like terms? Like terms, remember, is when they have the exact same base and the exact same exponents. So what I notice is I can only subtract this 2a squared. I can only subtract that from the a squared because they have the same base in a and they have the same exponent too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite these vertically as a subtraction problem. I'm going to write this as 2a squared plus 8a plus 4. And then simply what I'm going to do is just rewrite the like terms below it. So minus a squared. I do not have just an a, so I can write 0a or just leave it blank. And then I have minus 3. Does everybody see what I did? All I did was I took the subtraction and I just rearranged them. Now the important thing, if you're going to do it this way, the important thing to say is to say it out loud. 2a squared minus a squared. Well, remember, this can be a 1 in front of there. So it's going to be 1a squared, or just a squared. Now somebody might say, well, why didn't you subtract the exponents, right? Why didn't you do something like that? Remember, guys, if I have a monomial divided by another monomial, that means we subtract the monomials, right? That works for division. You do not do the same thing when you're just subtracting. When you're just subtracting, you just subtract what your coefficients that you have for your variable. So here it's just going to be a squared. 8a minus 0, just going to be 8a. So I have plus 8a. And then 4 minus a negative 3. You might want to write this out horizontally to help you out. 4 minus a negative 3. That means we're going to have a double negative, correct? Since we have a double negative, turns to positive. So that equals a positive 7. Do you understand? Good?